Hi everyone, welcome to Review Channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Galaxy Watch 3. This is the 41mm sized version, and this is Bluetooth 5.2, and then this has a pretty good processor. It's 1.15 gigs processor and 8 GB RAM. I've got this on a very good deal from a retail store. So let me do an unboxing and then see what all the contents that they have in the box, and then give you a quick demo on how to do the connection as well. So when you open the watch box, you just straight away see the watch itself. It's a steel version with a leather strap on it, and then this is pretty sturdy. And then the make, I think it's pretty nice. And also we have some paperwork on the box. So let's see what all they have. And to start off with, some guide on how to quick start, and then also a warranty card. And inside there's just some info and also the charging cable. So this doesn't have an adapter, so you just get an USB charging cable. This is a magnetic charger, and similar to what they have in Apple, this is the similar styled dock where you can just place your watch, then it would start charging. It's a magnetic connector, as I said, and it just sticks onto it. It's pretty simple, and then you just can connect with any of your existing USB adapters. Is a USB Type A, and as I mentioned, this is a complete steel casing, and then the build quality is pretty nice, and they have a microphone and then a speaker on the watch itself, and the strap seems to be pretty premium leather, and then it's pretty nice, and you get various straps online as well, the rotating dial that comes in with the watch. So this is the unboxing of the watch, and let me go ahead and then show you how to do the connection pairing with the mobile device as well. So I'm gonna quickly show you on that as well. So you need to have the Samsung Wear app, and then once you open the Wear app, it would show you the watch once you turn it on, and then you can start connecting. It just doesn't need much of an information around it, because it just straight away connects and then starts saying it would be installing the needed application. You have the to agree the legal terms and conditions, and also make sure that you have the option of having the watch being connected to the phone always, and also using the plugin of Galaxy as well. And also it has option to give permissions to the watch, where you have to allow it all the time so that it's always connected, so that it knows the location as well. And a few of the options that you need to give is allow the SMS, your calls, and everything to surface on the watch. And if you have a Samsung account, which you already had a smartwatch, if you have backed it up, you can go ahead and then restore from it. And if not, you can just skip, and then it would not look for any of the backups. You need to sign in using your Samsung account to check on these backups if they have any. And like I mentioned, this watch has various sensors. It has an accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, light sensor, optical heart rate sensor, and this also has a pretty decent battery. And this has a battery of around 340 mAh, and then this is not a removable battery, and gives you an usage of overall around 151 hours. So you also have to give the option of having the watch connected always to your phone, and those are the options. And now you can see the watch has popped up with the display. So if you like this video, please go ahead and then subscribe, and then also give a like, so that there will be more of these kind of videos that I can publish. If there is any comments, please do post as well. So thanks for watching Review Channel.